knuckle wreck. Oh. Dude, your pickle's so big.
You like my big pickle?
Oh, yeah, dude. Ooh. Damn.
It's got coolant over everything. It's all mine.
Just a little turbo, you know? Just a little turbo. I missed it. That bitch sounds good. What do you gotta pull it up here? Woo! Almost hit the.
You were there.
So, Troy hasn't brought his pig over, but he's big as hell.
What are you doing?
Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get him a treat.
Hey, yo. He's cool. He's big as hell. Hell yeah. What the? I ain't never seen a pig before. This is Troy's pig. Hey, buddy. He's like a big ass dog. Hey, yo, that's so dope, bro. That's lit.
That's my boy.
He's pretty chill, right?
Scratch him, pet him, scratch his belly. Smack him.
Hey, yo, that's crazy.
His eyes.
Fat.
See how his eyes are real like
Crusty.
Yeah, crusty. So I got some ointment for him. He's got like this little. He's got allergies pretty bad, but he's also has this little thing.
People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end.
That guy. Who's lost?
I lay me down to sleep. I pray my Lord to sow the keys. Like a locksmith, yeah, I got the keys. Pull up, maybe the ops bleed. Water like it's overseas. Bitch, I ball like NBA. Bitch, I ball like MVP. I got money, envy me.
I have one. Oh, there is one in there. Look at that. Oh, you're the best.
Dang. Hey, YouTube, yeah. I want the game, I want the mile, what was you thinking? Remember them days and that shit was hard. Been thinking, put a 4 in a 20 ounce and I've been drinking. If you hit the squad, I give you my heart.
Need help? Excuse me.
I was fighting some demons. I was raised in the deep end, and now these people be sinking. You know, like, I don't understand sometimes, you know?
I don't know. Well, mine, you're younger. I need back support.
You're right.
What?
So this song thing is not working out too good. So we're just gonna go mess with some people because, I mean, why not? You know, might as well get something when we're in here. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video, little song part, just a quick little snippet.
I'm at Walmart.
I'm at Walmart.
Where's here? Mom.
Mom.
Sir?
Huh?
That was funny and all. All right, that's it.
That was funny and all, but alright. I wonder what the thing to like intercom is. Yeah, if you can figure out the code, that'd be dope. Oh yeah, can I get a oh yeah? Throw something at somebody and you look around like, what the hell? We gotta find somebody there. Oh yeah. I like that.
Look at Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
I missed.
So childish.
Boy, if you don't get...
Oh, shoot. Excuse me. Do you know where the plates are?
Plates, you mean like the broken plates?
No, like the
Like this one?
Oh. Are these paper plates?
Yes.
Are
We
these
have a
yours?
lot in the paper goods and chemicals.
Can I take these or no?
Yeah, you can take
I
it.
can? Okay.
Yeah.
They're heavy. Why are they so heavy?
You're doing the prank?
No, I'm not
You're
doing it.
pranking me, huh?
You? No.
Yeah. You almost
Yeah.
scared me.
Excuse me. Did I scare you? Oh, okay. So we got the security guy following us out. Troy forgot to record it. But I like grabbed like this super soft teddy bear and I tossed. Yeah, he's right there. But so like pretty much what happened was we didn't get it on camera, but we got this like super soft teddy bear and I like tossed it at this lady, but she was like looking behind, and I pretended like someone threw it over, but she, I guess, didn't get the joke, so she kind of freaked out. But I don't know what we're gonna do now. We technically didn't get kicked out, but like I don't want to have to deal with some dude trying to say, oh, you gotta get out of here, because it's like we're not really doing anything. But F it, bro, F it. Yeah, baby, look at them tushies. Oh, grandma got them cinnamon rolls. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. My vag. Hi. Go ahead, girl. Work it, girl. Work it. Yeah, no, she did not want anything to do with me. So what happened right here was my mic cut off and I was getting ready to do another little burnout segment, you know, ordered the water from Starbucks, pulled up to the drive-thru, grabbed my water and send it.
Smoke, baby.
And this guy in the Mazda wanted to challenge me. I was like, bro, check this out. I can make the smoke come out my tires.
Tokyo drifting, and I was like, yo, Troy, get in, bro.
And you know how to do the outro and everything. Shout out to my boy Troy right here, you know what I'm saying? Thanks for helping me film. Appreciate you. But you know what I'm saying? I had to end it right. You know, comment, rate, subscribe, guys. And I'll see you next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I've been the coast.